Alright, let's climb up to this thing and we'll play with some of this add-on pack. Oh.
Disconnected.
That's better, sorry. So we've got a roof on it. We'd put some lanterns on it. I was trying to work on a staircase. I actually quite like the wedge bits. Actually, I've changed my mind. The wedge bits work. They work alright. Let me go wedge. Get down, wedge. Here it is. Nice. Oh, I quite like this. It's quite chill. It's like a chill. Oh, I should have built up there. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, I'm going to build another one up there. Shame you can't like put a zip line in or some sort of glider. Would be fun. Oh, I'm going to go build something up there next. So yeah. These trees have gone. There were trees there before. They seem to have disappeared. Oh, Bluey, hello. So yeah, not sure what's going on there. Let's get some wedge action going. As you can tell, I'm just starting out making gaming channels on YouTube. I did a little bit a couple of years ago, playing Unturned, which was quite good fun. Trying to getting some ideas for what to do that everyone else hasn't already done, which is quite difficult nowadays. Oh, I need some more wedgy ones. Actually, I don't particularly like that. Bye, Felicia. Maybe I should just attach it to this bit. Might make it easier. Make it squarer that way. Not sure. No, I can't actually attach it to it. That's really annoying. Well, that looks quite cool though. I quite like that. Yeah, I'll leave that. That's pretty cool. So yeah, if you've got any ideas for what sort of videos I can make, Conan videos or other videos, let me know. That's if anyone actually watches these videos, which I don't think they will. But hey, I'm going to make them anyway. Let me try that. That's more like it. Although I can't seem to build off the edge now. What is going on? What can build underneath it? Interesting. Ah, here we go. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Put some stairs down. Give me some stairs. What did I tell you about what channels I like? I watch a bit of more J2 or JJ Studios. I watch a bit of that. Brow Skateboarding. Steve Mould, Matt Parker, some sciencey math stuff. Computer File, Number File, some of my favourite channels to watch. Watched a lot of Ali Law. That guy's crazy. Certainly do enjoy his videos. I've had a brain fart. Looking for stairs. Stairs. Stairs with rails are cool. I'd not seen stairs with rails before. I prefer stairs with rails. The amount I fall off things. Actually, no, they don't stop you falling off anyway, so what's the point? Yeah. That's pretty cool. I like that. A little bit here. Need to get some stairs. I wonder if I can... no, that's no good. That won't do. Goodbye. Why don't you go away? Go, leaf. Make like a tree and leaf. Go, pesky stairs. Alright. Stairs won't go. That's annoying. Wonder if I have to go down here. Ouch. No? Go on, go. Leave. Thank you. I do not want you anymore. Maybe I should just fly around and do this. I think climbing is really the best idea. Oh god, I spawned way too many of those. I didn't want so many, I only wanted a few of them. There we go. Ooh, there we go. Oh no, that's disappointing. Another set of stairs, do you reckon? Oh, that's weird. Huh. See ya. Yeah, I don't like that green bit. That is, that is harshing my buzz. Boom, 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 ba ba boom, ba boom, ba 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 boom, boom. Need to put some foundations in. Ba ba boom. Do you reckon I can get a foundation in here? Alright, yeah. More stairs. You want more stairs? More? Yes, yes I do. Although how to do it, I don't know. Maybe I should make them go back on themselves or something. It's not going to let me put a block next to that, is it? That one will be fine, but it won't let me put one there, I don't think. What to do? What to do is the question. Huh. That's depressing. I don't even know wedgie will go in there, will it? Roof pieces? Do roof pieces? Will they hang out like that? Ceiling. Bop, 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 bop. See what ceiling pieces do. Oh yeah. That's not too disgusting. It's only a little bit disgusting.
Microphone activated. Microphone muted.
Excuse me. No, I think turn the stairs around, go back down into the water, I think. So I don't actually like this sticky outy bit here. This is all looking pretty nasty actually. I'm not happy with this at all. Not in the slightest bit happy with it. Plus I can't build there anyway. Yes I can. No. Oh, I didn't think I could. No. Oh no, me being strange. Stairs. Can I put stairs down off the ceiling? Yes. I can't see a thing now. Okay. That's still quite far. But it's okay. Can I put more stairs in? No. Can I put foundations in? Probably. Where do I put it? I don't need that for a minute. Oops, don't want you there. No, no, no. Well, they do explode really violently. It disturbs me.
Microphone activated. Microphone muted.
Oh dear. Sorry. Oh, you're hearing all the microphone activated and muted, aren't you? That's because TeamSpeak's running, but it's not actually connected to anything. I should probably make it go away. Right, I'm going to stand here, put a ceiling bit under there, and then see what that does to the stairs. Whee! More stairs down to the sea. Haha! I have sea access. Well, in theory, there you go. To my rooftop base, where I can come and reflect. These lanterns are cool. I like those. Uh-oh. I can't help but fall off everything. I'm not sure what it is. Yeah, this bit's a bit disgusting, that's the problem, but hey. Maybe this should have come out one further. And then I should have just gone straight down into the sea. Should I try that? I think I will. Wait, should be not enough resources. I need some more downstairs. Contain stairs. with a rail that doesn't do anything. Huzzah! Yeah, this is much less disgusting. In theory, I should better get rid of this bit, because this isn't even holding that up anymore. Oh, this is some bollocks stuff architecture of the highest order. Right. Let's see what happens when we ditch this lot. Kablooey! See you later, stairs. Uh-oh! Oh, I need to fall in the water. Yeah, so this is fine. So I'll just get rid of that. Get rid of this, I suppose. Then I can just make this little turnaround platform here. Like that. Then get rid of this disgusting bit. Not sure how much of this is structural. Yeah, it'll be fun finding out. Reckon that can go. Reckon that can go. Reckon that can go. Reckon that can go. Oh, it's giving me materials. Ill-gotten gains. No. That can't be doing nothing for anyone. That I'm suspicious about. Nah, that can't be doing anything, surely. Ah. Even that must be not doing anything. Cool, okay. I need some fence bits now, just to keep me safe, but I think that's much neater. I like that. Be nicer if you could come straight up the stairs. Yeah. Not sure. Wedgie. A couple of wedgies, maybe? Nah, we'll ignore that. Fence. I'll probably need to stop doing that, that's probably really annoying. I don't reckon this is enough. Ah! Oh, these fences look disgusting. Why don't they match the handrails? That's awful. Well, that's helpful. You can build it along the actual stairs. Actually, they're not the worst. They're alright. Yeah, they'll do. Let's get some more of them. Whoa. There we go. Whee. If you do watch the video, which obviously you are if you're hearing me saying, if you do watch the video, then comment down below with what types of Conan buildings you like to make. What's your favourite building set to use? Wedgie. Oh man, I need some more wedgies. More wedgie Wilsons. Wedge. 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 Wedgie Wilson. I can't actually build anymore. Sad. That will have to do. Oh, sad. I should have just paved this whole area. And the staircase wouldn't necessarily meet here then. Dilemmas. That's a little bit not very nice, is it? Should have raised this up a bit so I could build them all the way around. Oh well. Cool. So yeah, that's a little bit of building work done. I think in another video I might go up on the top of this one and see what's going on up there. Maybe this is just a test. Maybe I'll try and do something better. I think. Be nice to litter all these little hilltops with these fun little pagoda looking things. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.